Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Sanya and today I will show you how to make natural oil for sunbathing and tanning the skin. The sun's ray synthesizes the necessary vitamin D, but the skin is the largest organ in our body and we need to protect it from the sun's dangerous rays. I will prepare a completely natural oil for sunbathing and self-tanning from natural ingredients: oil, green walnuts, carrots, rosemary. You can also add marigold flower or lavender. You already have it all at home, or you can easily get it. Carrots contain beta-carotene and vitamin A. It is an antioxidant and has been proven to protect the skin from dangerous UV radiation, restore it and preventing its aging. Walnuts are also a strong antioxidant and have a beneficial effect on your skin. Just like oil is rich in unsaturated fatty acids and vitamins A and E. In addition to protecting the skin, they also accelerate the tanning of the skin during sunbathing. Rosemary has an anti-inflammatory effect and at the same time will give a wonderful scent to the oil. Let me show the ingredients. 500 ml or extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil if you prefer that way. 15 green chopped walnuts. 2 grated carrots of medium size. A sprig of rosemary and 1 larger jar. So let's start. Close the jar with the lid and leave it in a bright place, but not in the direct sun, for 3 or 4 weeks, and occasionally shake it contents. When the oil has maturated, stain it well with gauze or strainer and ready to use. Store the finished oil in the dark bottle due to prevention oxidation. If stored properly in a dark and cold place, the oil can last up to a year. Apply the oil half an hour before sun exposure and every hour while in the sun. This oil has a small protection factor, about 5, and by no means use it for the first 2 or 3 days in the sun, or when the sun is strong. It serves more for fastening tanning and color maintenance when you already have a foundation, and in addition to the darkening, it also nourishes the skin. No matter what you use to protect your skin, don't overdo its staying in the sun. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like and share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and see you in my next video.